Hi guys. So I was doing a DIY to share with you and I completely failed. But this part of the video is still good. It's about my IPSY subscription and I thought it might be helpful. So here it is. I would just pick up one of these. This one's actually lighter than what I normally wear because even if I don't wear makeup, I'm starting to get dark circles. So I just take it out, pop it under my eyes, and I might do like a little eyebrow tint and go about my day. So that has become like a go-to for me. This, some cocoa butter. It's my cocoa butter stick for my lips, so I'm gonna add that up there. And this little bag actually, so what inspired me to do this was because I just signed up for IPSY. I don't even know if I'm saying it right. My sister had always been telling me about it, and I do love makeup, but I'm also very frugal or cheap, whichever way you want to look at it. So I don't spend a whole lot of money on makeup, and I will let like my makeup run out before I go buy some more. So I signed up for the monthly subscription. It's like I think it's $12 a month. I can't remember. But it's either $12 or $24 a month, and it's not just makeup. One other thing that I really love is just skincare products and things that are going to help my my natural skin look better when I don't have on makeup. So you fill out like this little quiz or whatever, and then they'll send you samples. So everything in this bag didn't come from this, but they send you a little bag like every time. So right here, I've only gotten it once. So let me take out the stuff that did not come in this bag and show you guys what I got. So this is like full, IPSY. I don't know if y'all can see that because the light is too bright, but yeah. So I figured with me getting this little subscription every month, I'm gonna need a way to keep up with things so I don't lose them or I don't have them just all over the place. So this is what I have on right now, and this is some Rose. I don't know if y'all can see that. Rose liquid. Is this why people do this? It's not helping me any. Anyhow, this is some rose gold liquid eyeliner. I've never not eyeliner, eyeshadow. I've never used a liquid eyeshadow before. So it says spoiler alert, metallic eyeshadow. I don't know, but it is pretty. That's what I have on right now. And I use this little brush. It comes out like a little liquid, and you just kind of put it on. Anyway, I'm no makeup artist. I can't give you a tutorial on that. Look it up. But they sent me this little eyeshadow brush. It says large shader. So this is not an eyeshadow brush. This is a large shader brush. I use it to put on my eyeshadow, my liquid eyeshadow. And it still turned out great. This is some Murad hydration gel. This I actually really do like. I like the eyeshadow too, but I really, really like this. So you wash your face, you cleanse your face however you normally do, and then you just put this on, and it's like gives you like this dewy, like hydrated, glowy, dewy, like I just washed my face kind of all day. I will say though, if your skin is oily like mine, it did leave me kind of oily, and I did not like that. So maybe I'll use just a little less. You don't need very much, like literally a dab, and just like dab it a little everywhere and rub it in, and you look so like dewy until the end of the day. Then I did kind of look sweaty because I'm oily. And the lipstick I have on is Bare Minerals Courage. That's the color. It's red, and I really liked this red. A lot of reds are either too red. They're either like fire engine red, or they have like that burgundy brown kind of tone if they're not fire engine red. So I really could appreciate this red because it is like a toned down but true red, and I don't feel like my lips are shouting at you guys because of how red my lipstick is. So I really did like this. This Moisture Boost Gel to Water Morning Cleanser. I don't know how I feel about this. I like my soap to sud, and this does not give me any sud. It doesn't give me, I don't feel any way about it. I'll say that. But I'll continue to use it and see if maybe I change my mind.